Python set. Sets are used to store multiple items in a single variable. A set is a collection which is unordered, unchangeable, unindexed, and duplicates are not also allowed. So let's see. First, let's create an empty set. So to create an empty set, you use this set. To create a set with variables, set2, you use the curly braces, and we can create different variables or values inside. Note, sets does not allow duplicates, but you can have different data types like we've been doing before. You can have a string, you can have a value, and you can have a boolean. You can also have series of strings. So let's say maybe vowels. We can have A, E, R, O, U. So this is set 3. So these are series of sets, and we can check their type just to confirm. So type set1, do that in 4 places. Set2 and set3. If we run this, you can see they are all sets. What if we create a duplicate here? So I had another 7. Let's see what we get. So we have a duplicate in set2. It's still a set. So let me comment this, and let's print out the value of set2 only. So print set2. You can see duplicates are not allowed. Even though we have 7 and 7, still yet it only selected just one of the 7. So it's not nice for you to have duplicates here because the value will be lost. So you see it already. So let's proceed. Also, we can check the length of our set by using len. So if we run this, you see the first set has 0 value. The second one has 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me take out this 7 because it's a duplicate. That is why it's showing 4. If I run this again, you can see 4, 3, and 5. So as you can see, sets does not allow duplicates. And also, there is no order. So there is no index. You cannot access the values by using index. Maybe saying something like set3. So if I try to do this, if I try to access precious in set3, so maybe I do something like set3 index 0, that's supposed to be precious, right? You can see you can't do this in sets. It says object is not subscriptable. So you can't access values in sets using index because there is no order. Why? Let's see. Let's print out all these values and see. So if I take out the len so that we can print out all the values, or we print out the sets to see their values, you can see what has happened. The set can decide to show them anyhow. So here I had precious as the first place, but here it's showing precious in the second place. I have I in the third place, but it's showing it in the first place. So what this goes to show you is that there is no order. So since there is no order, there is also no index. So you cannot order sets, you cannot index them, and you cannot have duplicates. Let's proceed. Also, something I did not show you, we can have a constructor for sets. So if I have fruits is equal to, I can say set, open brackets and open brackets, then we can have our fruits. So our regular fruits: mango, cherry, peach, pear. So this is how you use a constructor to create sets. But remember, we said that you cannot get the value of the set using index. But one way we can do this is by using the for loop. So we can say for x, or for fruits, in fruits, then we can print fruits. But we can't use the index, but we can use the for loop to get the values of what we have inside of the set. And there you have it. We have mango, we have pear, we have peach and cherry. So you see the order has been changed again. It's different from what we have here. This confirms it again that a set does not have order. A set cannot be indexed. Okay, so let's go on. We can add values to sets. So to add to fruit, we can say fruits dot add. And what do we want to add? Let's add a new fruit called melon. Now if we print out fruits, we should have melon added to it. So you see we have melon right there now. Melon has been added. Also, you can remove. So if we use the remove method, and let's remove mango. You can see we don't have mango anymore. You can also use discard. You see, discard does the same thing. And we can also use delete, but delete is going to empty the entire set. Before we use delete, let's use clear. So when you say fruits dot clear, so this one takes no parameter. Let's see what happens. You see the set is now empty. Also, you can use delete, which is del fruits, and if we run these two, hope I have the right spelling, del fruits. So what del does is it removes the set entirely. So that is why you shouldn't use del. So I would always advise that you use clear, okay? So that it won't delete your set entirely. You still have the set, it's there, but it's just empty right now. So this is it on set, and we've been able to touch on some of the set methods. So if you want to check more set methods, you can check online, but these are basically the most important ones that you may come across, and it's not every time you'll be using the set data type. Okay guys, so let's proceed to the next video.